If you want to use air gestures on the OnePlus 15R, first of all, we can open Settings. Now over here in Settings, scroll down a little bit and go to Accessibility and Convenience. Now in here, we should be able to also find the Gestures option, Gestures and Motions, there we go. And then in here, in Gestures and Motions, we can find the air gestures. Of course, we need to grant all the necessary permissions. And in here, we can find the air call control. We can also see how it works. We need to hold our back of our hand 20 to 40 centimeters away from the front camera with fingertips pointed down, and then when the prompt appears on the screen, you can flick your hand up in order to answer the call. And while being on a call, you should be able to hold your hand to the front camera with the same distance and with your fingertips pointed up. So then after 1.5 seconds, you should be able to mute the call. Of course, to be able to use those gestures, we need to enable air call control. And if you need some additional learning tool that will help you figure out how to properly use those gestures, you can tap on Learn Gestures in here, and there we go. So we have the instruction for answering calls, so we can try to point our fingers up and then flick them up. There we go. And we can do the same thing with the muting. Of course, we need to hold for 1.5 seconds approximately. And that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.